Hello all Viking friends around the world, and welcome to another week of Viking.TV as we draw closer to the end of this very unusual year. To our viewers who recommended we share access to parts of our ships that you usually don't see, thank you. Last week's Maritime Monday on board one of our ocean ships had record engagement, and we'll soon have a similar program from on board one of our beautiful river ships. This Maritime Monday, we learn about icebergs when Viking's Head of Science and Sustainability, Dr. Damon Stanwell-Smith, speaks with Professor Julian Dowdeswell from Cambridge University's Scott Polar Institute, a Viking partner, and glaciologist Olav Orheim. On Resident Historian Tuesday, Dr. Caroline Malloy explores the world of Imperial Russia with particular focus on Romanov rulers between the 17th and 19th centuries. And then on Wednesday, we go to the Cognac region of France, and in this special program, Bartholomew Broadbent talks to Cyril Camus about the history of the Camus Cognac estate in Bordeaux and the distillation process. On Thursday, Anne is back and chats with best-selling British novelist and friend Jeffrey Archer about his fascinating life and fantastic writing career, and in particular his latest book in the William Warwick series, Hidden in Plain Sight. So we very much look forward to that, as Jeffrey is always engaging and entertaining and enriching. This Foodie Friday is particularly special to me, as my goddaughter Maya and her father Sylvain, who makes anything he touches taste delicious, are going to show us how to cook my favourite salt and pepper squid. Some of you watching might recognise Maya, as she and I together had the privilege of naming the Viking Sea in London a few years ago. So Maya, I'm ready to cook, remote as it is, but we're ready for the salt and pepper squid. On the weekend, we're back with Mona Therese to restore balance and harmony to mind and body. And another Sunday closer to Christmas, Sissel, who is so synonymous with this time of year in Scandinavia, gets us into that cozy Christmas mood for those who celebrate that. We hope you enjoy the friends that we choose to share with you this week, and as usual, hope you are happy and healthy, very importantly. And we send you lots of love from here to you over there. Bye for now.